Hello friends, welcome to e-class. Today once again with a new chapter I am here to deal with. It's Snowflakes class 6 English 1 and the chapter we'll be dealing today is class 6 chapter 10 lose and gain. Okay, dear friends, in this particular poem the author Henry tries to see how have we utilized the free time. Okay, the main summary of the poem is somewhat like that. See, this is a lockdown period. Okay, dear friends, it is being almost a month or 1 month or more than a month. Okay, now in this month, in this duration, in these free days where we no need to go to work, where we no need to go to school, there is no requirement of going to the out of place for learning or anything because it is a lockdown period. Now we are completely at home, free, idle. Did we use the time properly? Did we really make use of each time that we had, or we simply wasted time sleeping, simply wasted time playing, being busy in the mobile phone, or being busy with any other games, or being busy or simply lying down and spending the days idle? Okay, this poem is somewhat like that. Okay, it's a regret from the part of the poet that how have I wasted, or in a way he regrets whenever he thinks of the times that he has lost, the time that he has spent idle. Okay, see there in a particular line he says, how many days have been idly spent? Idly means doing nothing. Okay, doing nothing, not done anything. Okay, it is all about that. Now in this particular video we shall not be learning much about the poem, but directly we shall try to see we shall try to see the uh, question answers. And dear friends, if you are watching this channel for the first time, this is e-class time. Okay, and much effort is for the question answers. Okay, so do like, share and subscribe so that you get more updates. Okay, now without delaying much, uh, this is all about here comprehension part. Okay, in the comprehension part there are five questions. Okay, of all these five questions we have five answers. These are the questions, like in the first line, the first question is, what thing does the poet compare? Okay, now let's see, these are the answers, dear friends. Okay, you have the answers here, and for each of the questions answers are given. Okay, and you can simply pause the video, or and then you can copy down the answers. Okay, now regarding the explanations of the answers in details I'm not going. It is only a intention to shorten the video. Okay, duration of the video. Okay, so that your video does not consume much time. Okay, for that, with that intention only, the explanation regarding these answers are not given. Okay, now when we go to the next page, that is in B. Okay, read the lines from the poem and answer the questions with reference to the context. Now in the reference to the context, what happens, dear friends, will be given a line, and from that particular line only few questions will be asked. Then from those lines only we can collect the answers and answer to those particular questions. Okay, so here are the answers for this B1. Okay, there are some questions, and for those questions these are the answers for A, B and C. Okay, now proceed ahead. Okay, once again, see, if you have not copied it down, or if you are not able to copy, you can simply pause the video, have a screenshot of it. Okay, whole thing, then you can write it down. Now going ahead with C, discuss these questions in the class. These questions were supposed to be discussed in the class. See, there in the earlier classes, in the earlier videos also, we have come across such questions where the requirement is that discussion should be done in the class. But now the situation does not actually allow us to be in a closed classroom and discuss. So dear friend, I'm giving you the answers here itself. Okay, and these are the answers for these questions. Okay, you can, again I'm telling, you may pause the video and copy down the answers of these questions. Okay. Now moving ahead, it is words and sounds. You have a very beautifully a box is being given in the book, in the textbook. Okay, and we need to fill it. Okay, and according to its sound only, where O sound in the first column, O sound is given, O sound has changed, and here in the second column F sound has changed. In the third column again O and U sound has changed. Okay, so basing on those only some sounds are given and some words are also some words also we need to fill, and here are those answers. Okay, these are the words, and these words you can write it down and you can simply fill the box. Okay, so this is for the first, these words for the first box, these words for the second box, and these words for the third box. This is the third box. Okay, now word perfect. Now in this word perfect there is a word oxymoron. What is this oxymoron? Okay, now oxymoron is that where two opposite words stand together to give a meaning. Okay, two of opposite words stands together to give some meaning. Okay, now there is an example also. One example is that open secret. Okay, open secret. Now say dear friends, the very word secret is to hide, to hide something, a topic that is hidden from others, nobody knows. And the word open means it is open to everybody. Okay, so both the words are combined together and made given a different meaning. Okay, so that is when such two different words come together and give a meaning. Okay, form try to give a meaning or try to form a word, those are known as oxymoron. Okay, and such oxymorons from this particular sentences, those words are being picked and given here. Okay, like open secret, that I have already spoken. Okay, deafening silence. Deafening means the sound that cannot be heard or cannot be heard because it is so much of noise. Okay, and silence is already there is no noise at all. Okay, this example you will understand better. Living dead. Okay, see, and now living means the person is alive and dead means the person is dead. Okay, but both coming together has a different meaning. I think here there will be some separation, bittersweet. Okay, I think there must be a space bar here. Okay, please have a look. This is number E. Where is this? Oh, no, this is combined. This is combined. Okay, fine. So that's all dear friends, in this video. Okay, you may pause the video again, I'm telling, and you can copy down, and besides you can like the video, share and subscribe the video. Subscription of the video is channel is more necessary dear friends, so that you can get more updates whenever new videos are being uploaded. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a good day, good time ahead.